By studying the genome, I mean the set of genes that are in a cell, we can extract very useful information to understand how the diseases are caused, in particular which mutations are the ones that are involved in the disease. And we do this using computational analysis, because this allows us to analyze a lot of data. For example, we can analyze the genome of tumors of thousands of patients, and this way extract this information of what are the most important mutations to cause cancer. In our lab, we have developed tools that can do this analysis and identify these very important mutations. And the most important is that this is also very useful to help in the interpretation of mutations that you see in a cancer patient, which is necessary to then decide which is the best treatment. This is what we call personalized medicine.